Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a product by a company called Olrom, that's O-L-R-O-M. They make world-class cleaning brushes. This is the drill bristle brushes for power scrubbing, and it comes with a set of 3. The brushes themselves are polypropylene, and they're a medium stiffness, and this is what the package includes. And the actual part that you put into your drill is made out of a stainless steel blend, and this is a special magnet that I have to verify if it's stainless steel. So it looks like it's a grade of stainless steel that would prevent rusting, which is nice. And the size of these brushes, the round one right here, is just under 3.75, and it's about 1 inch thick. And the round one looks like diameter wise it is 3.5 inches by about 4 inches long, and the smaller one is a diameter of about 2 inches by 1 inches. The shaft itself on the device is 1 inch long. Now I'm going to be using these to clean an area in my bathroom that is really difficult to clean. I'm going to be using a Rockwell cordless drill, and the way this works, very simple. You just open up the chuck key of your drill and you tighten it down, and then you have, now you can go slow or fast, and you're going to put your cleaner on there and clean areas that are hard to reach. And I'm going to be using it on a glass area on my shower door that is just impossible to clean. So we're going to see how this performs. So the area that I'm going to be trying to clean is the bottommost area of the shower. You can see the calcium lime deposits there. And I've cleaned this many times by hand. So I'm going to be trying first the smaller size to get into the corners on that bottom part of the glass there. I'm going to be using a product called Barkeeper's Friend, and I'm going to wet it down, put it on there, and then use the brush. So you see, that worked pretty well. It just takes a little getting used to regulating the speed. But we see how we cleaned that up, and we're going to rinse it off now. So there you go. It looks like it cleaned most of that calcium lime that was on the glass. And I can tell when I was squeegeeing it that it squeegeed a lot easier. There was less resistance, but it made a dramatic difference. So the Olrom drill brushes really work really well in this application. So what's your overall impression about the Olrom, O-L-R-O-M, drill bristle brushes for power scrubbing, the set of 3? I like this product. As you saw, it worked really well to clean the glass on my shower. That's an area that I've been trying to clean for quite a while. So I really like this. This is a handy and clever idea. So I'm gonna give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.